Find strength in silence. Stoic motivation for daily life. Welcome to Motivational Inform. In today's video, we'll explore how the Stoic practice of finding strength in silence can serve as a powerful tool for daily motivation. In a noisy world full of distractions, learning to cultivate inner peace through silence can sharpen your mind, strengthen your resolve, and keep you focused on what truly matters. Let's dive into how you can harness the power of silence to motivate yourself in daily life. 1. The power of silence in Stoicism. To the Stoics, silence was more than the absence of sound. It was a practice of stilling the mind to focus on what's important. Marcus Aurelius often reflected on the value of silence, teaching that quieting the external world allows us to connect with our inner wisdom and align with our true purpose. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. Marcus Aurelius. In moments of silence, you gain clarity, allowing you to focus your thoughts on growth, resilience, and meaningful action. 2. Silence as a tool for mental clarity. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, our minds can become cluttered with noise, distractions, fears, and doubts. Stoicism teaches us that silence can be a refuge, a moment to step back, reflect, and clear our minds. Set aside time each day for silence. Even just a few minutes. Use this time to meditate, reflect on your thoughts, and realign with your goals. Silence helps you strip away the unnecessary, allowing you to move forward with focus and determination. 3. Learn to listen more, speak less. Epictetus, one of the great Stoic philosophers, reminds us that we have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason to listen more than we speak. In silence, you gain the ability to listen not only to others but also to your own inner voice. The next time you're in a conversation or faced with a decision, practice the Stoic principle of amusing and listening. You'll often find that wisdom and clarity emerge when you resist the urge to speak too soon. In silence, you'll discover your true motivations and the right course of action. 4. Use silence to face challenges with calmness. Stoicism teaches us to control our emotions and not be swept away by reactive impulses. Silence gives you the space to pause, reflect, and respond calmly to life's challenges. When faced with adversity, take a moment of silence to gather your thoughts, rather than reacting impulsively. Before you respond to a stressful situation, take a deep breath and embrace the silence. This practice allows you to maintain control over your emotions, responding with calm and strength. 5. Daily Stoic practice silence and reflection. Building strength through silence requires consistent practice. The Stoics would set aside time each day for reflection and quiet contemplation. You can incorporate this into your own life by starting your day with moments of silence to center yourself or ending it with quiet reflection on what you learned. Create a habit of silence by dedicating a few minutes each morning or evening to stillness and reflection. This daily practice will help you stay motivated, grounded, and focused. In a world filled with noise, finding strength in silence is one of the most powerful ways to stay motivated and focused. The Stoic practice of silence helps you clear your mind, find clarity in difficult times, and respond to life's challenges with calmness and resilience. Thank you for watching Motivational Inform. If this video inspired you to incorporate more silence into your life, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from this powerful Stoic practice. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use silence to stay motivated in your daily life.